In this video, we are going to see a quick solution that if you have installed the second monitor on your PC or on your laptop and it's flickering and it's turning on or off due to some problem in Windows 11, how we can resolve that. So first of all, what you need to check is check the cables are plugged in properly. Sometimes the display cable or the power cable have the problem, so it might be a hardware related problem, and also check for your cable extension if it is plugged in properly. Something else what you can do and try is just go to the start menu and right here settings, just go to settings, and from here you need to click on this option right here that says system, and under the system you need to go on a display. And from here what you can do is just find advanced display. It's right here in the related settings. Just go in here, and if you have the option to choose the refresh rate, you can choose any lower refresh rate than 60 Hz. So if you have an option right here, you need to change this, and that should solve your problem. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.